In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix Google Drive. Sorry, you can't view or download this file at this time. By the end, you'll be able to clear the error and access the file, including creating your own copy when the original is temporarily blocked. First, if you see the message that says, "Sorry, you can't view or download this file at this time," wait and try again later. This error usually means the file has hit a temporary download limit from too many recent views. Waiting lets Google reset that limit. Keep the tab open or bookmark the link so you can return to it easily. Next, refresh the page. Click the browser's reload button or press Ctrl+R on Windows or Command+R on Mac. A simple refresh can recheck your access and sometimes clears the block immediately. Now, sign out and sign back in again. Then click your profile picture in the top right of the Google Drive page, choose Sign Out, then sign back in with your Google account. This step renews your session in case the error is linked to your login state. Once you're signed back in, return to the same file link. At this point, we'll make your own copy. This works often because a new copy lives in your drive and isn't affected by the original file's temporary download limit. We're not changing the original file, we're just creating a personal duplicate you can open. Open the file link in your browser. If you already have it open, click into the address bar so you can edit the link directly. In the URL, replace /view with /copy. Click once in the address bar, look for the part of the link that ends with /view, and carefully change only that section to /copy. They leave everything else in the URL exactly the same. This tells Google Drive to generate a copy prompt instead of the normal viewer. Press enter to load the new page. You should now see a screen asking if you want to make a copy of the file. If the page doesn't load, check the URL and confirm that you replaced /view with /copy correctly with no extra spaces or characters. Click Make a Copy. Google Drive will create a duplicate of the file in your own My Drive and then open it automatically. From here, the file should open normally without the "sorry, you can't view or download this file at this time" error. Because this is your copy, you can now view it and download it as needed. If you tried earlier steps like waiting, refreshing, or signing out and back in and the error persisted, this copy method is the reliable way to move forward. It's safe and it doesn't modify the original shared file. You're simply working with a fresh version that's under your account. To recap on screen, you waited and tried again later in case of a temporary limit, refreshed the page, signed out and back in to reset your session, then made your own copy. You opened the file link, replaced /view with /copy in the URL, pressed enter, and clicked Make a Copy. After that, the file opens from your drive, ready to use. That's it. The Google Drive error is resolved, and your copy of the file is now accessible and working. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.